The Ulsan complex spans 5 square kilometers, producing millions of vehicles annually. For the thousands arriving daily, the Ulsan complex isn't just a workplace, it's a city unto itself, complete with its own railway and hospital.
Our project focuses on the thermal management of lithium-ion batteries, specifically the technology used in the
Utilizing advanced robotics, these facilities produce both pouch and prismation and aid.
Securing the future of mobility starts here. From lithium extraction to advanced processing, we are
Produced in facilities like POSCO Gwangyang, these advanced high-strength steel grades give the EMP platform its structural integrity while minimizing weight.
Using aluminum for the battery housing and structural nodes allows for significant weight savings in the EGMP architecture.
The tensile strength on the PET fabric is excellent.
And the new plant-based composites meet all the safety standards for the Ioniq models.
Here at POSCO, we've integrated AI into the production line, optimizing the tensile strength of every sheet we produce.
At the massive Ulsan complex, the synchronized delivery of components is crucial. Battery pack.
The CMM data confirms the panel thickness is within tolerance.
Excellent. The insulation test passed as well.
The climate-controlled storage ensures peak battery performance, while automated systems sequence delivery just in time for installation.
Component availability is critical. Our optimized mix ensures the seamless flow of the Ioniq models down the line.
Welcome to Hyundai's Ulsan Plant 1. This massive facility produces hundreds of vehicles.
The hydraulic presses apply immense force, shaping the steel into the Ioniq 6's aerodynamic curves.
The cathodic dip ensures corrosion protection. Then, a smooth application of base coat and clear coat gives the Ioniq its signature reflect.
Individual cell modules are precisely integrated, followed by the battery management system. The complete pack is then sealed and acceptance tested.
Hyundai's production software infrastructure loads the complete connected car stack, verifying market-specific configurations and over-the-air update capability.
At the Ulsan end-of-line station, every vehicle undergoes meticulous scrutiny.
The teardrop silhouette unmistakable. The most awarded EV family in history. Ready.
As discussed, this NDA covers future product specifications, platform development, and manufacturing process parameters.
We're holding steady at 800 volts.
And we've achieved the target 350 kilowatts.
The pressure arrays match the CFD model exactly.
Yes, the drag coefficient is lower than expected.
The physical data aligns perfectly with the thermal model prediction here.
Yes, validation successful on the rapid charge cycle.
We're seeing excellent stability through the chicane, but the data suggests we can push the regenerative braking further.
Let's try the updated calibration map.
The data confirms the Ioniq's superior charging speed, but the Lucid still leads on highway range.
Let's cross-reference the thermal data from the track run.
The energy density on this cell is exceeding projections.
And the thermal stability looks promising, according to the SEM data.
The core of the EGMP is this skateboard design, integrating the battery and dual motors. This 800.
The integration process at Namyang allows us to refine every detail, ensuring the final product exceeds expectations in both safety and performance.
What is the most significant Ioniq engineering achievement that customers experience without knowing the specific engineering that produces it? Accommodating the distinct architecture required constant monitoring of the flow synchronization. The slightest deviation in the battery configuration.
The primary difference is the enhanced insulation needed for the 800-volt system.
So the safety clearance distances must be strict.
The variation in this panel gap directly impacts the airflow separation here, making the 0.21 CD target much harder to achieve.
I'm showing a slight variance in the navigation resource allocation here.
Rerunning the diagnostic on the infotainment integration now. Okay, variance cleared. Systems check complete.
Hyundai's inline quality measurement infrastructure at Ulsan, with dimensional measurement systems, automated.
This archive footage documents the micro-leak event. The fittings passed initial pressure tests but failed under thermal cycling in the
Assembled battery packs undergo thermal cycle testing, simulating fast charging before the pressure test verifies seal integrity.
Q3 cell allocation requires balancing our domestic supply with the new international output.
And the long-term security strategy for
Ioniq 6 achieving over 600 kilometers of WLTP range. The range figure that eliminated range anxiety.
I still can't believe we have a projector out here.
It's amazing. And this hot chocolate is perfect for the cool air.
The Ioniq family's impact on global EV market dynamics. The pricing pressure on established premium EV manufacturers.
That was fast. No dealer visit needed for these new features.
We're giving these batteries a second life before they are fully recycled.
The industrial scale of Korean automotive exports is fully visible here at Ulsan, as thousands.
Pay close attention to the high voltage lines. The routing is critical here.
Understood. The software makes the transition much smoother.
The moments that matter. From family holidays to track days, the Ioniq lineup has the range to spare.
Which car company do you work for?
Hyundai.
Do you work on the Ioniq?
Yes.
How did we perform overnight in the paint shop?
We hit 98%, manager. The conveyor issue slowed us down briefly.
All right, keep a close eye on that throughput.
We are proud to announce the completion of the 1 millionth eGMP vehicle right here in Ulsan.
The investigation traced the leak event back to the coolant manifold. This led to the revised assembly protocol, which has eliminated the issue entirely.
So the gap measurement here isn't just technical. It defines the car's aesthetic quality for the customer.
I see. So precision is key.
Everything looks perfect. You did well.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Hey, get down to line 4. You have got to see these measurements.
All zeros. That's incredible. Are you sure the calibration is right?
I checked it twice.
You have seen how it is built. Now tell us that. What surprised you most about what goes into building the most rewarding?
Next on Process Pulse Factory, we go inside the facility manufacturing something 2 billion people consume every single morning.
The extended cut, including the full eGMP aerodynamic development program and the complete end performance development.
Process Pulse Factory. Every week, a new facility.
A new process.
A new world hidden inside the vehicles, rewriting what electric mobility means.